Number 1. Create a budget. Start by tracking your spending to see where your money is going. Where can you cut back? Number 2. Reduce debt. Focus on high-interest debt first, such as credit cards. Number 3. Live below your means. Don't spend more than you earn. Number 4. Save automatically. Set up automatic transfers into a savings account. Number 5. Shop smart. Take advantage of sales and discounts. Compare prices. Buy quality items that will last. Number 6. Cook at home. Eating out can be a big expense. Try cooking at home more often. Number 7. Reduce energy costs. Lower your utility bills by using energy-efficient appliances, turning off lights and electronics, sealing air leaks. Number 8. Cut unnecessary expenses. Cancel subscriptions that you don't need. Bring coffee from home. Number 9. Avoid impulse purchases. Wait 24 hours before making any big purchase and ask yourself if you really need the item. Number 10. Plan for the future. Start by saving for retirement. Build an emergency fund.